Hello everyone! What I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working in this shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. The first thing you need to know is that it's not always the end of the world. Your car isn't dead, and it doesn't want to leave you stranded on the road. Basically, the all-wheel drive AWD system detected that something isn't right and decided to go into protection mode. It's like it's saying, better I slow down a little before something worse happens. Now, the most common and easiest thing to check, according to mechanics, is the battery. Yes, it might sound strange, but a weak, old, or unstable battery can confuse the AWD system. Many owners of these vehicles have seen the warning appear right after the battery was low or after replacing it. Sometimes, just making sure the battery is in good condition and stable makes the warning disappear like magic. If your battery is fine, the next easy step is a quick system reset. Some mechanics simply disconnect the battery for a couple of minutes, press the start button a few times to drain residual power, and then reconnect it. This can clear false warnings caused by minor electronic glitches. It's like rebooting your computer when something isn't working. But hold on, it's not always just a reset. Another common culprit is the sensors, especially the wheel speed sensors or ABS sensors that work with the AWD system. If one of them sends weird signals, the car thinks something is wrong and triggers the warning. Many mechanics have fixed the issue by replacing a specific sensor or securing connectors near the wheels. Speaking of connectors, loose or corroded wires can also cause this error. Yes, something as simple as a poorly connected plug or moisture in the wiring can trick the system into thinking there's a problem. That's why, before spending money on expensive parts, it's smart to thoroughly check all the wiring. Now, if after all this the warning still appears, it could be a real issue in the AWD system, like a malfunctioning differential clutch or an internal transmission problem that controls all-wheel drive. In these cases, the warning usually comes with 2WD mode engaged, showing that the car switched to safe mode. Here, a professional diagnostic with tools that can read all modules is recommended, because blindly replacing parts can get expensive. And a little-known detail. Sometimes the warning pops up due to external conditions like heavy rain, extreme cold, or even a minor bump that caused no visible damage. The system gets sensitive and prefers to warn you before taking any risks. After driving a bit or once conditions stabilize, the warning may disappear on its own.